Welcome back to Jessie at Home. In today's video, we have some outside cleaning motivation. We have definitely some satisfying befores and afters, so watch all the way through as I tackle my outdoor kitchen. My husband and I were working on the inside kitchen, but we couldn't get that video out in time for a Tuesday video, so definitely stay tuned. That is coming out on Thursday. So while I let things paint dry in the kitchen, I ran out here to give this outdoor kitchen a really good scrub down. I've been wanting to do this anyway. The ceiling fans were getting super gross. The grill needed a good scrub down. It's really a satisfying cleaning motivation video, so I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so I just got a really quick and short satisfying video out for you today. So hopefully you will enjoy it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely stay tuned for Thursday's video.
But baby, it's so damn dramatic. Sometimes I don't know where to go. Oh, he's my sunshine and my headache, but I keep coming back for more. So scary to admit that I'm falling for you while looking in your eyes. And there is nothing that I wouldn't do. I keep trying to break through, 'cause he got me so high, just watching him. Time flies, make love to him daytime. I can't get enough. Yeah, he got me so high, just watching him. Time flies, make love to him daytime. I can't get enough. 'Cause it's you that I love, I got to have it. You that I yearn for, so why you wanna let this go? I got to have it. You that I yearn for, so why you wanna let this go? You say I'm shady, what do you mean, boy? I try to figure out what's on your mind.
These poor fans get progressively worse as I move along, but they are in an outside area. They are covered, but they still are open sort of to the elements and the smoke from the grill and everything. So I was really happy to get up here and give them a good cleaning. This is something that I'm gonna have to do like probably once a month in the summer, or even more depending on how often I can get out here to just strictly clean. But my husband and I are doing a staycation this week, so we are going to be enjoying grilling out here and just kind of hanging out and not really worrying about anything. So I wanted to make sure we got that done before the staycation. This fan was definitely the worst one of them all and it took a little bit more elbow grease. My arms and shoulders were killing me after scrubbing this for kind of keeping my arms above my head for so long and scrubbing. I had to get out the detail brush for all the grooves, but we got her done and this thing looks brand spanking new. I am so happy we moved this fan in from my living room. This used to be in my living room and we moved it out here and it just definitely fits the kind of vacation, like Margaritaville coastal farmhouse vibe out here, and it just looks so good and it really packs a breeze. I don't know what we would do without all these ceiling fans out here in the heat of the summer with the grill going and everything. It really is a lifesaver.
Yeah. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air.
Once I got the tops done, I had to do the bottoms. Oh, this really was, I swear I was out here for an hour just on this fan. It was such a tedious job to do, but I'm so glad that I did it, especially once I noticed that it was that dirty. I had to get it clean, especially since it's over the grill. Like I said, I did not want that mess flying over my food, so I really wanted to get out here and give it a good scrub down.
Serious, I will keep you all to myself. Oh, you're so mysterious, mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself. I walk across the room, show you I'm around. Ask if you wanna meet when the sun goes down. 'Cause you're the only one who can get me so high.
I always get a lot of comments asking why I have little kid paraphernalia, like little kid things at my house and out. It's because I have nieces and nephews, and I always like to make them want to come over to Aunt Jess's house. So I always like have little toys and little areas for them to have fun in, and just having this little table in the patio makes them feel so grown up, like they get their own little Paw Patrol table and they love it, and they sit there and they eat their little hot dog, and they know that, you know, if it's timeout time, they got to go sit in the chair if they're not listening. It's, you know, it's just nice to have a little area, a little kid area for them to enjoy and get excited about coming to Aunt Jess's house.
Fun park now, like a merry-go-round, drove a spiral going down, yeah. I've been racing you all through town. There's no limit to your speed, never ever time to breathe, no. We just fired away without a second to ensure what we signed up for. I won't play it this way, no more. You'll be out the door till you're back for more.
For some reason, this camera does not pick up the color of the grout. The grout is actually blue, and it's really, really pretty, but it always looks really dark and grody on camera for some reason. But it is clean. I do clean it a lot, actually, because we do host a lot of family over here. I know gatherings are limited in a lot of areas, but I like having my family, my close family over for Sunday fun days, and we all get to swim and we grill and everything. But I don't know why this tile shows up as like black when it's really this really blue color.
We might as well get in now. Still the fights always leave a thrill. I can imagine all you go on, I know the drill now. I've been getting high from this drug for longer than I know. Now it's time to go. I'm not letting you push me around, so should have let you know a long time ago. I know what you're gonna say. I know what you'll do to me. I know I'm not gonna stay. Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. All the ones are for all the ones are for all the ones are for it's too late, I'm standing my ground. Finally breathing on the rebound. All the ones are for all the ones are for
Trying out this citrus safe barbecue grill cleaner, and I actually really liked it. I didn't give the grill a good scrub down last time we used it. Hey, I wanted to get in the pool. So I really did like the way that this kind of scrubbed it up. We are going to be refurbishing this Jen Air grill next summer. There's a lot of things that we wanted to get done this summer, but we're putting it on the back burner till next summer. We want to refurbish it and order some new like, I don't know all the terms, little flame things. But for now, I'm just using this, and I really like the way that that citrus really cut through all of the grime on this grill. I am going to end up switching over to a little SOS pad too, because I kind of tore this little thing up. I really used a lot of it, but it did a really good job cleaning up the grates.
work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door. Meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. So sweet again. Oh, na 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 na. it go. And I start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again.
I wasn't going to power wash again. I don't feel like you need to power wash every time you're outside. I did power wash this at the beginning of the season and it didn't really need a power wash, but I did want to spray it down and kind of direct all the dirt to the drain in the middle of the concrete floor. My concrete is a like stamped, more natural looking concrete, so it kind of tends to look a little bit more dirty, but it's just the texture of the concrete. But if you did enjoy this video, this short little video, please like and subscribe, and make sure you look out for that video, that kitchen makeover video on Thursday, and I will see you then.